morning, this is Michael with Explorers R Us, and today I want to show you the drone that I'm using. I had some issues with it, so it sat for a couple of years, and that's in another video as to what exactly happened. It kind of freaked me out a little bit, so I let it go. But over the last couple of days I've been redoing all the software on it, and I'm ready to get it to fly. So first of all, it comes with this controller here, and one day I'll actually go through all the different processes of what's going on. I'm using the phone at the moment actually to run this GoPro I'm using, so I just want to let everybody see what I'm doing. So here it is. It's a Mavic Air. It's all set to fly. I've got it charged up. As I said, the software is all good to go, so let's put it on the ground and let's see what's going to happen.